In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade on GMGN. So the first thing you'll need is a GMGN account, and in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can check that out, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 30% discount on all trading fees forever on GMGN. So make sure you check it out. Now, from here, once you're on GMGN, if you want to actually start copy trading, here's what you gotta do. So, first, of course, you will have to find a good wallet. Now, I'm not gonna explain how to find good wallets over here. I will just show you how to basically copy trade. So, first, as I said, it's very important to get a good wallet. Now, I'm just gonna pick a random one over here, and the easiest way to find them is by going simply onto a random coin over here, and then click in holders. And then from here, you can see all the different holders of this coin. Now, if you click on any wallet over here, it will simply copy it. So what you want to do to actually start copy trading is to click on this logo. So on the icon, basically on the avatar of the person who has this wallet, and it will open up their wallet where you can see everything regarding this. Now, again, I'm just doing this as an example over here, so you should pick a good wallet if you actually want to copy trade. And then once you got your wallet, you want to click on copy trade over here on the right, and then as you can see, it says copy from, and there's the wallet address, which is the same as over here. And then you can select your max buy amount. If you want a fixed buy, you can do that. If you want to get a fixed ratio, you can do that as well. And then you can have your auto sells, not sells, and you can customize your TP and SL. And then you have your advanced settings over here in case you are an expert and you want to do this. And after you've done it and put in all the parameters, basically, you can just press confirm and you can start copy trading on GMGN. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.